Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Valorant long loading screen. First click here and then go to background apps. Now turn off this one, go back, click here and then go to gaming, game mode. Just type here game mode settings and turn this one on and go to game bar, turn it off, and then you will find here graphics settings. Click on it, and this one, if you want to overclock your CPU, just turn it on. Of course there is risks on it, so if you don't want to overclock it, just make it like that. And after that, just go back and then click here and type view advanced system settings. Now performance, click settings, adjust for best performance and click apply, or you can enable these three options, it make it better. And click OK and go back, and after that go to service. Now this one is only for HDD users. If you have SSD, just stay away from it. And where is it? This one, sysmain. Now just right click on it and click stop. If you have HDD, I will say it again, if you have SSD, just don't touch it. And after that, just restart your computer and then your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.